So this is Dog Days 3, newly painted. It's got a very nice tall hood on the stern, which can be completely enclosed and opened up or dropped down depending on the weather. Stepping aboard, looking underneath the engine bay. It's nice and dry. On the starboard side we have the Widebeam boiler, and then moving around under the stern there's a 55 litre hot water cylinder, and that comes around and feeds through into the rear cabin. And then here is the engine, 52 horsepower canal line, and from there moving round there's a socket that connects to a battery charger that is currently disconnected but is part of the sail. And then here on the port side moving round we have 1, 2, 3 leisure batteries and 1 starter battery, and then just spinning round to the stern there's the weed hatch. So Dog Days 3 has a really nice and spacious cruiser stern. To the right there is a box covering the generator, and to the left is the box lid covering the gas cylinders. Here are the 2 gas cylinders with some recently updated pipework and manifold to bring it up to today's standards, and that lid just lowers down. And then to the right here we have the box housing the generator.